Off the backboard.
What will happen if I hit this side?
Nothing's gonna happen. It's just gonna laugh at you. You wanna try?
Yeah.
What the heck? Got some new wedges here. I'm just gonna take them down there in this little bag like, hey guys, got my wedges today. Jake, what are you doing over there?
It's our team calisthenics.
Team calisthenics? We are getting old. Most of us, well, I'm 37. Eric's 45. No, he's 31. Jake's the youngest of us, 28. So it's not like we're all young little sprouts running around here. Like, we got to stretch a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
My body's like 45. My mind's about 14, so.
Oh, hey, that's right. Fallen trees today. Here's the first one. It's hard to, all these are alders. They all lean super hard. I'm just gonna go over the obstacles, what we can't hit, and you're gonna see us fall them. I'm setting up orange cones so you can see exactly where I'm aiming. So if I miss the spot, it's completely obvious to everyone that I missed the,
Yeah.
and it'll be embarrassing or I'll look like a stud. Probably embarrassing.
Yeah, but you can still look, he can still look like a stud and be embarrassed. That's one of the most manliest things you can do.
Gotta protect this little tree. The tree naturally wants to go out here. Kind of wants to mow that tree right over. It wants to go towards this fir right here. But we're gonna face it out here and try to convince it to go this way. I didn't know you gotta wear a cup doing this. Look, we saved both trees. That's good. I'm gonna put my face shield down because Eric's gonna hack away at this nub while I talk about the next tree. Wow. Holy cow, that's a Jeff Schroeder axe?
Yeah, this is a Jeff Schroeder axe.
Did you see that? That was a one chop, the tree came down. It's got his name on it.
That's the thing. This is like Thor's axe in Thor's hands.
Jeez. we all got Jeff Schroeder axes. We'll have to pull out the other two later.
They're pretty nifty.
You saw that, right? One chop, the tree came down.
Entire tree.
That's powerful.
Perfectly healthy, everything.
Jeez, guys. All right, here's the next tree. Let me show you straight. This is straight right here. So it kind of leans forward, but then the top of it kind of comes back. And then all the other angle weight, it's kind of out here. But I need to steer it between these two cones. It's kind of a small gap. I need to protect this little tree. I need to thread these cones because it'll brush up just against these limbs a little bit, but as long as I'm between these cones, I do not think it's gonna break these limbs off. I need to save this little tree right here too. There we go. Got it.
Shoo! I got a good angle of the hinge.
Yeah.
Really good angle of the hinge there.
So you could see how I was steering it the whole time. While it was coming down, I was able to see kind of where it was going and then steer it to the left a little bit and then to the right. I was like, no, no, left, left, left. Is this dead?
Here, let me show you.
Oh, face shield's down.
Body slam. Hanger.
Jesus.
Like I said, that axe gave me power, man.
That's
Look,
wild.
it's just falling on me trying to get the tree for itself.
That's wild.
Tree!
Next tree. Leaning hard out here, right towards this fir. We need to go between these two cones. The problem is the limb tips are already basically touching the fir. So it's probably gonna hang up. And knowing that, we're gonna have some fun with it. The safest bet right now would be just right away while the tree's still not cut up to put a rope in it. And that way we could pull it if we need to. But let's have some fun with this thing.
Let's see what happens.
Let's let it hang up and then let's try to get it out.
Right.
Face shield down.
He said to send it.
It's moving a little bit.
So the problem here is it already wants to go into the fir. It's not a deep enough cut to get these these long wedges in. I have some shorter wedges in the truck we can grab, but the only way we can do it is to do it sideways. Yeah. Now bottom. Okay. Top. Go through. Okay. We are closed up in the front a little bit. So if I cut the more of the back strap,
We're gonna go straight into the tree.
it will come down. It will come off the stump.
What will happen if I hit this side?
Nothing's gonna happen. It's just gonna laugh at you. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Alright, cut the hinge.
Look at that. Between the cones. Oh man, that was entertaining.
That was exhausting.
He wants to cut down a tree with just an axe, so
I need a Capri Sun break.
get out of here. All right, let's check out this next one.
Getting eaten alive down here.
The mosquitoes are bad. There's mosquitoes all over the place. All right, we gotta get rid of this bundle right here. A lot of limb weight, a lot of weight way out here. So I want to go between these two cones. There's a little tiny baby tree in there I'm protecting. We have the walnut coming out here. I don't want to swipe. And then we have the fir right here. I don't want to swipe. I'd rather break off these branches than hit this walnut tree.
It comes tomorrow.
Comes tomorrow.
Yeah, we got the Fanner? How do you say it?
Fanner.
Fanner?
Puffanner. Puffanner.
like a fanner.
Whoa.
Yeah. That's a 14-year-old coming at me. Anyways, we're gonna have comms tomorrow. Tim's going up a gigantic tree tomorrow, so that'll probably be the next video after this one. And you're gonna hear our actual conversations, so it's gonna be kind of cool.
The next video actually I have is from...
Well, the video after this video. I know the next video is the thing we did last week.
What did we do?
Tuesday.
We're here. We were here at the same location.
Yep.
And we trimmed up these massive trees up front. Huge. The diameter of the one of them was what, 67 inches?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What the heck, dude? That's so many more branches.
More branches. We protected the walnut. That was the important part. It's almost like all these shorts and videos I've been making that shows all the fails. They're few and far between. I just highlighted the fails for people, and they love it. They think I'm such a noob. You are a noob. I've been falling trees for 40 years, you noob. Eric's gonna try to chop this down with an axe.
I have never used an axe to cut down a tree. I have never been taught how to cut an axe with a tree. And don't try this at home because I don't know what I'm doing.
Jesus. That's cutting good, actually. I'll show you the tree while he's cutting away at it here. It's got a heavy lean forward. So it's really a no-brainer where the tree's going. It's going out here. Ideally, between this cherry tree and this crazy thing right here, and just go right here on this brush pile. How'd they do it back in the day? These axemen were crazy.
They're just stronger men.
They're just stronger men.
Better bred.
Yeah.
And all these phony Instagrammers out there.
There it goes.
Woo!
You got her.
Oh man.
Nice work.
Whew.
That was crazy.
That's a nice hinge. Okay, I'm gonna take a nap now.
See ya. Actually, that is a really good hinge straight across for being done with an axe. It's like even here and it's even all the way across. Pretty good, actually. Next tree!
Oh crap!
Oh crap! Holes back here. All right, it's going out here, but I needed to turn it and come through here between these two cones.
Boom.
Right, the camera. Yeah, that was perfect right down between the cones. We got it to turn a lot.
Yeah,
I kept
at first it was going hard left, then it started to turn right.
Yeah, well, I was watching it and I was adjusting this hinge in the back. A lot of people think you can't turn a tree with a hinge, but you clearly can. I just turned that thing. It was going out here. I turned it and aimed it the whole way as it was coming down. You can see how I cut the hinge. A little bit thinner on this side and thicker on this side to keep dragging it this way. Keep dragging it this way. I actually, in the very beginning, I had the hinge really thick on this side and I was only cutting this right side, but then I realized it will go beyond my cones if I kept doing it that way. So then I cut up some of this hinge on this side too.
That's when I saw it dip right.
Yeah. We got one more to fall, which is this one right here. It's bigger, heavier, and I'm gonna go in the same spot with it once we clean this one up. I still have to climb one and just part it out and drop it where it, you know, piece it out and let everything fall where it falls. But this is probably our biggest alder for today. Very large, a lot of forward weight. Wants to naturally go out here, but again, we got to turn it and get it in between these two cones right here. It. There's something interesting on this one. So this is a Kodam alder, and I don't believe that it's connected in this crack like any serious kind of joint. So look at my face cut, how low it is right here. So if I have to cut it all the way across from the back from here, So I don't think that that's really connected very good there. So I think if I just bore in right here and do my back cut, it'll come off still. Sweet.
Boop. Boop. Beeps.
And look how it came apart over here. So yeah, none of it was really connected. It looked like it was, but it was all included bark. I got one tree right here that I can't fall it anywhere outside into this rough area because it's blocked by 3 trees. And I don't want to pull it out here because we'll have to clean it up. So I'm just gonna climb it, strip it out, and drop everything where it lands. Naturally it wants to go out here, but it's also my shortest distance to the fence down there. And I think the top's still too tall right now. I think it'll still reach that fence. I could get it to go out here and it wouldn't hit the fence. That might work. Nice. Sky just opened up. Off the backboard. I'll probably end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching, and they're up there chipping. I'm gonna go down, help them chip, finish off this little piece of stem here, and put this fence back up. But that's basically the end of the job. So appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.
Could fit a king-size bed right here.
King-size bed, baby.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
So smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Pump the brakes.
You like this? No.